The world is watching. India's defense sector is undergoing a massive, unprecedented transformation, cementing its status as a global defense powerhouse. From historic jet deals to revolutionary indigenous tech, the mission is clear: securing the border and ensuring national supremacy. This is your Defense Digest, where we break down the most critical steps in India's modernization journey. Let's dive in. We start with the sheer scale of ambition. India is launching a monumental 79,000 crore rupees defense push aimed squarely at countering evolving threats from China and Pakistan. This comprehensive rearmament strategy prioritizes critical capabilities across the land, air, and sea domains, defining the future of our operational readiness and border security. The crown jewel of this effort? The Defense Procurement Board has greenlit arguably the biggest acquisition in IAF history, 114 additional Rafale fighter jets. This multi-billion-dollar agreement solidifies the Rafale as the undisputed backbone of our strategic combat force, drastically boosting India's deterrence capability and ensuring air superiority for decades to come. Next, strengthening the protective shield. India is seeking 280 additional S-400 interceptor missiles to bolster our stockpiles. Crucially, the plan now eyes significant local assembly to fast-track induction, enhancing our multi-layered air defense and BMD capabilities while simultaneously championing domestic technology absorption. Speaking of defense innovation, DRDO has unveiled a revolutionary anti-stealth radar grid. This cutting-edge indigenous technology can reportedly detect advanced fifth-generation jets like the Chinese J-20 and the American F-35. This development provides a massive strategic technological edge against potential stealth threats in contested airspace. However, this major import cycle raises a critical debate. Experts warn that focusing heavily on foreign platforms risks overshadowing our indigenous aerospace roadmap, specifically the funding and scaling of the Tejas Mk2 and the ambitious AMCA project. The nation faces a tough balancing act between urgent security needs and long-term self-reliance. Shifting focus to the ground forces, the Indian Army Chief confirmed a massive strategic shift toward modern warfare. The Army plans the large-scale, centralized production and induction of long-range combat drones across all military commands, rapidly integrating asymmetric warfare capabilities into standard operational doctrine nationwide. To immediately counter the threat posed by small hostile UAVs, an Indian defense firm has secured a critical indigenous order for anti-drone systems for both the Army and Navy. This addresses the urgent requirement to protect vital strategic assets and border areas from persistent aerial incursions. On the policy front, India has significantly lifted the defense FDI cap to 74% under the automatic route. This policy pivot aims to dramatically boost capital inflow, accelerate technology transfer, and solidify India's ambitious push to become a trusted global defense manufacturing and export hub. Supporting the domestic innovation ecosystem, the Indian Army has signed new contracts under the IDX initiative. This crucial program fast-tracks the induction of niche, disruptive technologies developed by startups, ensuring our armed forces benefit quickly from truly cutting-edge, made-in-India capabilities. Finally, strengthening international bonds, India and Germany have established a new defense industrial cooperation framework. This strategic partnership is key to diversifying technology access and collaborating on high-end manufacturing, further integrating India into the secure global defense supply chain. That's a wrap on a historic period for Indian defense. The scale of modernization, the commitment to Make in India, and the unwavering focus on securing the border demonstrate a nation truly determined to secure its destiny. Don't miss a single update on India's rise. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the conversation below. We'll see you next time. Jai Hind.